Sanibona bafethu uVane Sports lo. So namhlanje ngizoshaya i-match preview yale game le Bulwane City versus Orlando Pirates. Yabo ngizoshaya i-look ahead. Ngibheke ukuthi kahle kahle lama team la u2 asiphatheleni. Yabo i-game le ebaluleke kakhulu for Orlando Pirates because they want to recover. Yabo they want to bafuna ukufika kahle kahle iMamelodi Sundowns at the top. Njengoba niyibona i-Sundowns right now ina 58 points. Yabo ina 58 points, Orlando Pirates ina 43 points. Yabo i-Sundowns iyashare ama-points but-ke siyafuna ukurecover. Bulwane City right now na 34 points. Imagine unumber 3 uBetway Premiership una 35 points. Unumber 6 una 34. Bashayana ngo-1 point. Yabo bashayana ngo-1 point. Nathi Galaxy team enhle kakhulu ekwaziyo ukudlala. I think silandela ngayo if I'm not mistaken Galaxy. Another good side elikwazi ukudlala. Sikhukhune i-run yabo ayikho inhle ngifuna uqamba. But-ke mase sibheka iBulwane City afuna uqamba iBulwane City akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane. Yabo mase siwa comparison nje lama team akusiyona i-team esingayithatha kancane because manje wabheka ama-odds Orlando Pirates ina 58. Yabo 58 ukuthi ngayiwina le game le. Mase kuthi iBulwane City ibe na 19%. Yabo kuma-odds. Mase siwa comparison ke lama games la lama team la. Yabo before senze into eningi. Ithi ngibola yabo ama-matches abesewadlalile badlala ama-matches awu-23 Bulwane City adlala ama-matches awu-23 sadlala ama-matches awu-19 inama-goals awu-18 wakorele akusiyona i-team ekora kakhulu le thina sesikore ama-goals awu-31 in 19 matches yabo mase sikuthi kuma-goals conceded they conceded 18 goals thina sa-concede 14 goals siyakwazi ukudefend yabo ama-assist Orlando Pirates awu-17 masiba nawu-16 yabo goals per game i-ratio yakhona u-0.8 thina sibe no-1.6 shot on targets per game bano-3.1 thina sibe no-5.7 yabo kuyakhombisa Orlando Pirates i-team eyimiselayo ekwaziyo ukudlala nebhola ball possession yakhona Orlando Pirates i-team ekwaziyo ukulibamba ibhola 60% average kubo 43% i-average yeBulwane City yabo mase sibheka la kuma clean sheets Orlando Pirates inama clean sheets awu9 mase uthi iBulwane City ibe nama clean sheets awu10 kuyakutshela lokho ukuthi i-team futhi ekwaziyo ukuyibamba i-team yabo i-team ekwaziyo ukudlala ibamba i-team enikhumbulahle yashaya iMamelodi Sundowns ngo-1-0 lesa stadium lesa angisithandi lesa stadium ngifuna uqamba baningi abadlali bethu abalimalayo lesa stadium yabo should be told nje bafethu baningi abadlali bethu abalimalayo kulesa stadium mase sibheke abadlali babo bangasinikeza inkinga if we are being honest abadlali bangasinikeza inkinga kulesa squad mina ngokwami ngibona Osuna Police kuumdlali ongasinikeza inkinga yabo mase sitshele nje ulumfana lo uMbokazi mase ahlale Osuna Police Osuna Police ngiyazenza lutho yabo ngiyazenza lutho olutheni Osuna Police because nayi run yakhe kulama games lawa angifuqama ayikho mnandi yabo ayikho mnandi ngaleyo ndlela mase sibheke nje ama-stats akhe sasimfuna ngoJanuary but mase sibheka ama-stats akhe right now I don't think Orlando Pirates is interested esigning Osuna Police yabo uyi-left winger umjida uzoba i-threat kakhulu yabo kulesa squad sayo iBulwane City I feel like uyena umjida osineza inkinga njengoba nimbona nje la uzobe edlala kuleli side elilo Van Rooyen noma iside nalomjida lo uShanti yabo lobo badlala sakuzodlala ba umjida umnandi kuma set piece uyakwazi ukushaya ama set pieces Orlando Pirates kumele ikwazi ukudefenda mebezoshaya ama set piece abajida yabo last game abayidlalile bawina u3-1 yabo nangu Lebohang Petrus Nkaki umjida umnandi kakhulu yabo mnandi kakhulu umjida yabo nali goal nje abenivezela nje la yabo so yeah bafethu iyona into engayisho ngeBulwane City le iBulwane City akusiyona i-team esingayithisa kancane even though irun yabo ingekho indlela leyo ndlela mase sibheke ama-last games asebawadlalile ama-last games asebawadlalile ithi ngibo manake ngizozama univezela ama-games abasawadlalile yabo in their last 5 games 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 no in their last 7 games bane-win eyodwa yabo akusiyona irun enhle ngifuna uqamba saqala isizini nje uthi iBulwane City i-team ezofika mhlambe kwi-CAF Confed even though unumber 3 una 35 bona bena 34 but ngayitsho ukuthi team ezokwazi ukuhadulisa amanye ama-team yile phambili but mase ngibheke i-run yabo in the last 7 days, even ucoach wabo ngizwe nje amahemhem kuthiwa ucoach wepulani sithi kungenzeka ahambe, yabo kungenzeka axoshwe, singesazi. Ngiyanihlebela ngoba ngibangani bami la, niyangifolowisha, niyasubscribe, yabo. Uma ufuna ukuzwa iy'ndaba, subscribe uVane Sport. Ngezwe kuthiwa uPuti Mohafe Ulwane City ifuna ukumxosha. Mayasashaya i-Orlando Pirates, ningathuki-ke masenizwa kuthiwa uPuti Mohafe usexoshiwe, yabo, uxoshwe iPulwane City, because iPulwane City i-team lena ifuna ukuyibona idlala kwi-CAF Confederations noma kwi-Champions League, yabo. Ingakho bengavumanga ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates isayine u-Osuna Police, because babefuna lo mdlali lo Osuna Police abasize bakwazi ukuyodlala le e-Africa, yabo, i-team le eyimisela ngempela efunayo ukuyodlala le. But-ke mase sibheke kwi-side le-Orlando Pirates, iside le-Orlando Pirates ngokwami mina liyimisela, yabo, liyimisela ngempela indlela edlala ngakhona. Last 7 games actually i-Orlando Pirates mase siwabheke sine-loss. I-Orlando Pirates Timo 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ine-loss eyodwa in the last 7 games, yabo. I-loss eyodwa mase iba nama-draws awu-2, actually i-draw eyodwa, yabo, i-draw eyodwa 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, yeah, i-draw eyodwa mase kuba ne-loss eyodwa. Ma-wins awu 1 2 3 4 5, yabo, 5 wins in our last 7 games. Sibena 5 wins in our last 7 games. Sayishaya iSport, which was not convincing, to be honest. Sadliwe Marumo Gallants, I didn't like that game. Sayishaya Chippa United, yabo. Sayishaya futhi Sport United, which was not convincing again. Defending yaleya game angifuna uqamba very poor, yabo. Actually, i-defense nothini. Umuntu oshaya kakhulu mistake la uSepho Chain, but-ke there's a story for another day. Umjida ukwazile mfethu ku-recover, umjida wabuya wadlala kamnandi, yabo. Game elandelayo sadlala ne-Steelers mfethu, sasibamba ku-0-0. It was not a nice game. Following game sadlala ne-Sundowns, we won that game, yabo, ngo-2-1 with a beautiful brace coming from Relebohile Mofokeng. Salandela nganya postpone igame i-Raleigh salandela nge-MC Alger, where we won against the MC Alger, yabo. Ngisazoyichaza indaba i-Raleigh ndaba yakhona angifuni ngisho udive deep kuyona because ngizoshaya i-review, i-match preview yale game le Orlando Pirates nale team le, yabo. Head to head Bulwane City mfethu ayisinikeza inkinga leyo ndlela, ngifuna uqamba. But-ke into engikhala ngayo isodla kule stadium lesi, New Peter Mokaba Stadium, old Peter Mokaba Stadium. I'm not happy isinqumo esithathiwe. Mhlawumbe bengazama ukuthi igame bayishintshe idlalwe ngesonto, even though singezi kwazi ukudlalwa ngesonto, because kunegame ekumele siyidlale thina ngoLwesithathu, yabo. Angithandi ukudlala lesa stadium, ngifuna uqamba. Lesa stadium sisilimazela abadlali bafethu, silimazela abadlali. USesane nje right now asinaye because of that stadium, yabo. Akekho uSesane because of lesa stadium, angikho happy. But-ke ningangitshela nina kwigame yakusasa, for me ngike ngayishaya i-lineup prediction, to be honest. Ngosikazi ngiyishaya i-lineup prediction ngokwami, yabo, ngokwami. uSalengi bengingamboni ezodlala kusasa, but-ke looking at ama-videos asathanda ukuposta i-Orlando Pirates, I think umjida uzokwazi ukwathola ama-minutes kusasa. Yes, I'll start uMonapule Saleng. I think uMonapule Saleng kusasa uzoyithola ithuba lokuthi akwazi ukudlala mfethu, athole lowo ma-minutes, because sifuna ukuresta abadlali. We have a big game esoyidlala next week against the MC Alger, yabo. Abantu abaningi ngathi bangawathenga amathikithi bayobuka leyo game, bayo-support Orlando Pirates in that game. But-ke siyodlala nePulwane City, igame izoqala ngo-3 kusasa bafethu, igame izoqala ngo-3. Kwaba khona le ePulukwane bahamba bayothenga amathikithi, mase ukuthi igame i-Orlando Pirates izodlala next week. Izodlala next week ngomhla ka-9, yeah, izodlala next week ngomhla ka-9 ku-6 o'clock, yabo. Mhla 9 or 6 o'clock. Hambe niyothi, I think Wednesday if I'm not mistaken, yabo. Hambe niyothi amathikithi bafethu, igame izobe imnandi ngendlela eyisimanga. Orlando Pirates ngifuna iwine leya game nge-mob justice football style, yabo, mob justice football style. Orlando Pirates-ke ipostile la bafethu abajida la.
there's no physical preparation that one can engage the team with. Only analysis, another cup final for our team as usual. And the only language that will be understood is 3 points. That's the language that we can promise and try and deliver to our team.
I don't think Maswanga will have an success. But the guy who will
it's blessings and burdens. Pirates is involved in every competition. We must try and manage and try and compete in every competition that you are involved in. That's the nature of the team that one works with.
ezimnyama ngenkani asesiyobona la ukuthi bathini yabo sibona ukuthi bathini njengoba ibhalile la kwi-form guide yabo bayasho Orlando Pirates iwinile against i-MC Alger ngolwesibili yabo Bulawayo City comes at a precious time in their league campaign as they cannot afford many slip-ups in their attempt to plug what remains a significant gap between themselves and the table-topping Mamelodi Sundowns, despite still having 4 games in hand. As for now, 15 points separate the two, reduced by 3 from the previous game week, thanks to Buccaneers' impressive 2-1 win. In last month's top of the table clash, the deficit could have been 5 points closer if not for some indifferent results on the road. Drawouts in March when they lost against the Marmo Gallants and drew against the Steelers. Their only way of win during this period was against Ichiba United in Gqeberha. A return to the old Peter Mokaba Stadium will nonetheless be a welcome one of the Buccaneers after a venue yielded and handy 6 points from their 2 previous visits so far this season. They now face off against the Polokwane side on a high of their own after a much-needed 3-1 win at home against Richards Bay over the weekend. So angifuna ukufunda kakhulu le nto leya. So i-team news Orlando Pirates mina mase nibheke kuthiwa la ama-team o-2 anama-injury issues bona banayo Thabang Matuluti wabo injured. Orlando Pirates uPatrick Thomas Wanganyi is injured. Olisanda sathanda kulimala bafethu ndawo sathanda kulimala kuthiwa ulimala ejimini. Olisanda Maswanganyi continues his recovery from a quad strain. Yini quad strain? What is a quad strain? Yabona futhi lama-injury lawo ifuneze into ekuthiwa i-injury. Quad strain. Yini quad strain? Ungangitshela ama-comments but awuthi ngiyiseshe la khona nizobona. Kuthiwa a quad strain or a pulled quad occurs when quadriceps muscle located in the front of the thigh is overstretched or torn, often due to physical activity. Shuthi ubambeke imuscle umjinto. Ahlukene-ke ama-grade. Grade 3, severe pain, complete loss of strength, swelling and bruising, which can take several months to recover. Grade 2, moderate pain, loss of strength, swelling, bruising, several weeks to heal. Grade 1, mild pain, tenderness, recovery. I think yathi Thomas Wanganyi grade 1 because we saw him training. I think yakhe grade 1 singesazi-ke bafethu. I think yakhe grade 1 but ke kale game le izobe ishube impela. I hope amajita ayawuthatha 3 points. Kuzobe kubhizi kakhulu ePolokwane kusasa. Kuzobe kubhizi kakhulu because iKaizer Chiefs iyadlala naye eNew Peter Mokaba Stadium against iTS Galaxy. iTS Galaxy iyona ezobe ihostile le game. Ngeke ngazi. I think iKaizer mhlawumbe izobe ihostile. Asazi but ke ama-games akhona bafethu kusasa. Yabo nifike inyo support ePolokwane. Mina ngeke ngikwazi ukusupport because ngowalike iZN. Yabo ngowalike iZN. Yabo uVane Sports lo ngiyabonga isupport eninginika yona bafethu. Ningakhohlwa usubscribe lapho. Yabo subscribe ningisize sikhulise le channel le. Benifuna ukuzwa more about indaba zakwi-PSL noma ngikhaverishe more teams la kuleli page. Ungangitshela ama-comments uma ufuna i-team yakho ngikhulume ngayo la mhlawumbe ngikhulume ngeKaizer. Phela abalandeli abaningi beKaizer bangizwile angazi indaba. Mhlawumbe ngiyi-Pirates, I don't know. But-ke ngiyabathanda mina abalandeli beKaizer even though sima-rivals. Yeah, ungakhohlwa usubscribe awuva nesports lo bafethu ngiyabonga isupport eningi niyayo. Ngiyabonga.